Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to save money on beauty products. Beauty products are an essential part of our daily routine, but they can get expensive. In this video, we'll give you 10 proven strategies to save money on beauty products. So, without further ado, let's get started. Strategy 1: Shop during sales and promotions. The first strategy to save money on beauty products is to shop during sales and promotions. You can save a lot of money on beauty products if you buy them during sales and promotions. Keep an eye on your favorite brands and their websites to know when they have sales. Strategy 2: Use coupons and discount codes. The second strategy to save money on beauty products is to use coupons and discount codes. You can find coupons and discount codes for beauty products online or in-store. Before buying a product, search for coupons and discount codes to save some money. Strategy 3: Buy in bulk. The third strategy to save money on beauty products is to buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money in the long run. If you know that you use a particular product frequently, buy it in bulk to save some money. Strategy 4: Use reward programs. The fourth strategy to save money on beauty products is to use reward programs. Many beauty brands have reward programs that can help you save money on your next purchase. So, make sure to sign up for their reward programs to save some money. Strategy 5: Use cashback apps. The fifth strategy to save money on beauty products is to use cashback apps. You can get cashback on your purchases by using cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. So, make sure to use them to save some money. Strategy 6: Try dupes and drugstore brands. The sixth strategy to save money on beauty products is to try dupes and drugstore brands. Dupes are products that are similar to high-end products but cost less. Drugstore brands are affordable and have some excellent products. So, try them to save some money. Strategy 7: Don't fall for hype. The seventh strategy to save money on beauty products is to not fall for the hype. Sometimes, beauty brands create a lot of hype around their products to sell them at a higher price. Don't fall for the hype and do your research before buying a product. Strategy 8: Make your products last longer. The eighth strategy to save money on beauty products is to make your products last longer. Use the products judiciously and try to get the most out of them. Don't waste them, and you'll end up saving money. Strategy 9: DIY your beauty products. The ninth strategy to save money on beauty products is to DIY your beauty products. You can make some beauty products at home with natural ingredients. They're affordable and effective, so give them a try. Strategy 10: Buy multi-use products. The 10th strategy to save money on beauty products is to buy multi-use products. Multi-use products can be used in different ways, so you won't have to buy multiple products. They're cost-effective and can save you money. That's it for today's video on how to save money on beauty products. We hope you found these strategies helpful. If you have any other tips on how to save money on beauty products, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.